Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use three important command discuss here. First is connect curve, second is spline command, and third is helix. Three command is very important because three command is a wireframe and surface design used in CATIA. And guys, CATIA lecture 68 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software and three commands is learn one by one. Okay, this is a CATIA software interface, and this is a this this is a spline. Okay, and this command is a connect curve, and this is a helix. Okay, this is a this. Okay, this point is a 2 point is discussed here, and helix point is very important, and a separate video created. Okay, this 2 point is discussed here. At first point is double click here and any point draw here. Okay, this point at first draw any point and then use a this is a correct. Okay, and this is a this point. Okay, and then use a spline command. Click here spline. Okay, and use a first point, second point, third point, fourth and fifth. Okay, this is a spline command, and click OK. And again click here this spline command. This point and this point and this point is a spline command, and then use a OK. Two spline command is created here, and you can see here spline command is, and both is a connect here. Okay, then use a connect curve and select then first point. This is a connecting type normal and base curve. Okay, this is a normal. First curve point curve, and second curve point and curve. Okay, point first is a select point, and this is a curve means this. Okay, and second also point, and this is a curve, this is a connecting point. Okay, and this reverse direction is a, and also reverse direction, this is a correct, and preview is showing here. This is a 2 point is a this is a correct, and this point is a connect here. Okay, this is a connect. Okay, and this is important because wireframe and surface design, spline and connect curve is discussed here. Okay, this is important. And click OK, and again draw. This is a and again very one point is a this point, and control this delete here. This is a delete. And double click here. And this point is a this point, and this is a this point, and this is a this point, and this point. This point, and this point, and this point, and this point. and close, and any close a first, second, third and fourth. Okay, and use a and again use a spline first, second, third point and fourth point. Okay, this is a use a and 2 point is a discuss here. Okay, and this is a connect, but connect this point, and first point is a this point, and second this first curve point select here and curve this. Okay, and again select second curve means first point and curve, connect automatic here. Okay, this is the direction is reverse direction. Okay, this is a connect. Okay, this is a nice, and this is a reverse. Okay, this is a connect. Okay, this is a connect here, and all, but this is a this point, and this is a join. Okay, click OK because all is a join here. Okay, and any this not and any select a plane is a this plane is a this and point select here. Okay, and click here. Okay, this plane and select this point. Okay, and and select draw any circle. Okay, this point and this plane. Okay, this is a half because circle is full. Okay, this is full, and drawing a this is a 5. Okay, this is a small size, and also this is a 3 is correct. Okay, this is a correct, and again use a sweep command, and then use a first is a sweep command is for first with reference surface, and first is profile and second is curve. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a correct, and body is a sweep body is a colorful and property and pink color. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct, and zoom size. Okay, this is a correct. Okay guys, 2 point is very important discuss here. And okay guys, helix command is also discussed here, and next lecture is coming soon, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily, clear and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.